Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new channel, The Economics Expert. So let me introduce you myself first. My name is Aman Sharma and I have done Masters in Economics from the Central University of Delhi in India. And I have also cleared UGC-NET exam in the field of economics, which is one of the toughest exam in India. So now I am here to help you out. So let's talk about what is the aim of this YouTube channel. So as you know, so many students of economics are facing many difficulties in different branches of economics like macroeconomics, microeconomics, international economics, statistics and the mathematical economics. So now here on this YouTube channel, we are going to discuss all the branches of economics in detail from the basic to the standard and the higher level like macroeconomics, microeconomics, international economics, statistics, mathematical economics and the all branches of economics. So if you are also a student of economics, so you can connect with us by subscribe our YouTube channel. And all the lecture will be detailed and as well as quality lecture. So if you are really want to study economics from the basic to the standard and the higher level, so stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.